Welcome to Fullerton Professional Organizing. This is Carrie, and today our topic is a topic that many of us can relate to: organizing small spaces. Living in a compact space can present unique challenges, but fear not. In today's episode, we're going to share some ingenious organizing hacks that will help you maximize some space in your living area, whether you're in a cozy apartment, a dorm room, or simply looking to make the most of your space. These tips are sure to come in handy. Before we jump in, I want to give you a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you never miss an episode. And if you find this episode valuable, consider leaving us a review. It really helps us reach more people. Now, let's get started with some practical and creative organizing solutions for your small spaces. Utilizing vertical space. Install shelves, hooks, pegboards to maximize wall space for storage, especially in little hidden areas. You can really utilize some space for hanging things on hooks. Invest in multifunctional furniture. Choose furniture pieces that offer storage solutions like ottomans with hidden compartments or beds with built-in drawers. That's very helpful. And if you don't have built-in drawers, you can raise your bed up a little bit higher by either putting some pavers under, or they have these cone-shaped things that your feet of your bed can go in, so you can raise it up, and you can put bins under there to hold shoes, books, anything that you use while you're in bed or close to your bed. That's a good hidden space. Use clear storage containers. Clear containers make it easy to see what's inside, preventing the need to rummage through the boxes. Now, opt for foldable furniture as well. Furniture that can be folded and stowed away when not in use is ideal for small spaces. Now, this idea is not really a solution, but it gives you the illusion. If you hang mirrors, it will create the illusion of more space and reflect light, making a room feel larger. It's not really a storage solution, though. Of course, decluttering regularly. I really do believe in that. I believe in having a bin in every closet for when you're ready to declutter. Regularly assess your belongings and remove items that no longer use, fit, or you like. If you don't like it, if it doesn't fit right, or you just don't find that you're using it, let it go. And create zones. Define specific areas for different activities, your workspaces, relaxation areas, to keep the space organized and functional. Now, we already talked a little bit about this. Like I said before, you can maximize underbed storage by putting bins for socks, bins for shoes, all of that. Install door organizers. Over-the-door hooks or over-the-door organizers are great for storing shoes, accessories, cleaning supplies, much more. Barbies, toys, arts and crafts, markers, all types of things. Use drawer dividers. Keep drawers organized and prevent small items from getting mixed up. Downsize your furniture. Opt for furniture that's appropriately sized for your space to avoid overcrowding. That also is a visual that lets go of visual clutter. Now, one thing that I'm not really proficient at as a professional organizer is going digital. But if you are, scan those important documents and photos to reduce paper clutter. That will help. Hang pots and pans. Install a hanging rack in the kitchen to free up cabinet space. Or put those risers so that you can put pots on the top level and the bottom level in a cabinet to maximize space. Go vertical in the cabinet with your pots and pans. Choose furniture with legs. Furniture with raised legs creates a sense of openness and makes the room feel less crowded. Not a storage idea, but another visual clutter busting idea, just visually. Opt for multi-purpose appliances. Invest in appliances that can perform multiple functions to save space in the kitchen. Use tension rods. Tension rods can create additional storage in cabinets for things like baking sheets or cutting boards or cleaning supplies that can hang from the hooks. Install floating shelves. Floating shelves is another visual that takes up less visual space and can be installed in tight corners. Rotate seasonal items. Store out of season clothing and items in bins or under the bed to free up space. Create a command center. Designate a small area for important items like your keys and mail and schedules to keep them organized. Maximize cabinet door storage. Use hooks or adhesive organizers on the inside of the cabinet doors to store cleaning supplies, lids, or small utensils. Now, just remember, the key to organizing small spaces is to be intentional about what you bring into your space and to regularly declutter and reevaluate your belongings. These hacks are designed to help you make the most of your limited space and create a more functional and organized environment. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.